Hey everyone, this is Jared with CData, and I wanted to showcase a cool new feature in Connect AI where if an LLM detects an error in a connection, it's going to return the URL for that connection and allow you to reconfigure that connection, get connected without having to completely leave your workflow. So we'll start with a simple question. What percentage of my MailChimp list members are subscribed? So Claude is going to do what it always does when it's connected to Connect AI. It's going to go through and find the list of connections that are available. It found our MailChimp connection, but it also discovered that the connection needs to be authenticated. So I'm going to open this link. This takes me into Connect AI directly to the MailChimp connection that I need to reconfigure. It looks like I had the wrong API key in, so I'm just going to click Save and Test. And we were reconnected, so I should be able to jump back in and ask it to try again. So I was able to navigate directly to Connect AI from the LLM that I was using. And now that I am connected, it's going through and it's getting the information that it needs about my MailChimp instance, the tables or the list members. It's gathered all of the information that it needs, even tested the values, and it gave me the answer to my question. 61.83% of my MailChimp list members are subscribed. So it was able to answer my question. I was able to navigate and correct the connection error without any real extra work. So this just showcases one of the ways that Connect AI makes it easy and reliable to connect all of your enterprise data to your LLM through one secure data layer. Thanks for watching, and we can't wait to see what you build next.